Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel, and in this video I will discuss about top 8 IIT. The students who will qualify GATE 2021 and those who have a valid GATE scorecard. Okay, so this video actually just for you guys. So, and those students who will apply for PhD program. Okay, and this video is also for you guys. So guys, in this video you will get idea about top 8 IIT and why you should go there for your PhD program. I will discuss about this. Okay, so let's start guys. So guys, this is all 23 IITs, okay, that are like working, okay, together. Okay, so guys, do you know how many IITs are there in our country? How many student, do you know? So guys, I am telling you 23 IITs are there. Okay, number 1 to 23. 23 IIT are working now in our country. They are existing. Okay, so total number of IIT in our country, that is 23. But today I will tell you about top 8 IIT. Okay, and the students who are from different humanities and social science subject, and you will get idea why you should go in this top IIT, and I will give you some better idea. I will discuss some points, 5 to 6 points. Okay, so you have to watch this video till the end, because after this video you will get good idea why you should go in this top 8 IIT. So which are those IIT, okay, top 8 IIT. Okay, like IIT Kharagpur has like huge department, okay, for humanities and social science background subject. Okay, so I'll show you why you should try to get admission in IIT Kharagpur. Okay, why? Because like this department is very old department. Okay, HSS department, humanities and social science department. Okay, humanities and social science department in IIT Kharagpur is very old, because it is the first IIT in our country. Look, okay, after independent, okay, this IIT was built up or was established. Okay, so after that you can go for IIT Bombay, Madras, Kanpur, Delhi, IIT Guwahati, IIT Roorkee, and next one is IIT Hyderabad. So these are top 8 IIT. Okay, why I am not taking these 3? Because it is according to establishment year. Okay, but I am telling you I am telling you this according to quality. So quality is important factor. So quality is important factor. So I am telling you according to quality. So guys, top 8, these 8 IIT are like, you will get huge opportunity. Okay, huge opportunity. This first criteria is quality. All the students, they want best quality things, is not it? And it is true, I know it's true, because this IIT will give you best department, okay, for your for your research. So second is facility. Second is facility. So second is facility. research facility. So you will get very best research facility here. Okay, so this is like the best uh, info for you guys. This is the best info for you guys, so you should share this video with your friends. And the third one is like environment environment is a big factor for your research program. Okay, you will get high qualified students. Okay, those who will take admission in this IIT, like your peer group. Peer group means your friends. Okay, your friends. Okay, your friends in IIT. You will get some important friends. Those friends always will help you for your research, for your doubt. Okay, so you can talk together. You can spend some very important moment in your life. So environment is a big factor, because you have to face many problems during your program, like assignment, quiz, and so on during your coursework. Okay, you have to face many problems, and your peer group will help you to solve all these problems. Okay, you have to face within a week many quizzes, many assignment. Okay, many problems. Okay, so it will be very good. Like you will get help from your peer group, means from your friend. Okay, and one more important thing I want to tell you about English background subject. Those who have like MA degree, and like, and they, if they will qualify get 2021, you should go for IIT Roorkee. Okay, IIT Roorkee, like they will take many students in this subject, that is English. Why? Because you can go in this IIT, and you will see many students from English. Okay, they are doing their PhD. Okay, and IIT Guwahati, guys, I will tell you the most diverse department among all these top 8 IIT Guwahati, like, has the best diverse department. Okay, like the students from history, the students from history can go there. Why I am telling you guys? Because there is no history paper in GATE 2021, but the students who are from this domain, from this history domain, they can also go for PhD in IIT Guwahati. Okay, so it is very diverse department. Okay, so one more important thing I want to share with you, that is like opportunity is the big thing. Opportunity. Okay, opportunity is the big thing. Okay, opportunity is the very important thing. And I am telling you guys, you will get the best opportunity. At least you will be a professor after your PhD program. Why I am telling you this, guys? Look, all the IIT, all the new IIT professors, all the new IIT professors, all the new IIT professors, okay, they, like, they are from the product of this old IIT. Okay, most of the 90, more than 90%, more than 90%, 90% professor, okay, of this new IIT, okay, they are from like old IIT. So this new IIT has like many vacancy. Okay, these are very young IIT. Okay, you can see some IIT like uh, the establishment year like 2008. Okay, even 2000 1916s are also there, okay, establishment here. So they need many qualified faculty, so you can be one of them, but you have to complete your PhD from this IIT. I'm not telling you this 100% correct, because the students who are doing their PhD in this IIT, new IIT also, they can be a faculty of this IIT also. Okay, so actually the IIT they will take their most faculty from this old IIT. Okay, so this is the best opportunity. Next, for your further research, further research program, okay, further higher study, further research program, okay, further research program. After your PhD, you will get many chances to go any foreign universities. You can go for uh, USA, you can go for England, you can go for other countries also for your PhD, further postdoctoral program. Okay, so these are the very important information, and you should apply in this old IIT. And why I am telling you guys, you can see this, you will get the best quality, you will get the best research facility, in the environment will be very interesting, important factor, and you will get many opportunity than other university, central university, and so on. And further research program, because all these 8 IIT, like they have signed different MOU with more than 100 foreign university. Like I am from IIT Bombay, so I can tell you something about IIT Bombay collaboration with many top notch world class foreign institute. Okay, IIT Bombay like have collaboration about like 150 foreign institute, 150, okay, 150, they have collaboration. Okay, so I think this information will help you a lot to get idea about top 8 IIT and why you should go there. I have already mentioned all the reason why you should go there. Okay, so I know this is very important information, so please share this information with your friends, and this video like will be helpful to identify in which IIT you should go. Okay, so guys, uh, thank you, all the best. This is all about today, and uh, please, those who are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification when I will upload any video regarding PhD program, regarding MA program. Okay, and my next video will be like top, I am telling you guys, my next video will be top new top 8 new IIT. Okay, and I will tell you why you should go there. Okay, and I will tell you everything. You have to choose one more important thing. Okay, so guys, thank you, all the best.